All right, let's quickly go over the team tab. Pretty self-explanatory. Um, when you put in their name and email address, you will give them the different functions that they will have access to. So if you have a member who is staff, they can add vehicles, upload photos, view inventory. They don't get the pricing details, and they can't do the deals. Manager, similar. They can create deals. They don't get the internal costs unless you want them to. Then just make them an admin. You can have as many of these as you want. But you're going to put in their name, email, phone, what their role is. Enter them into the system, and they will get their own login to be able to use it on their phone or tablet or PC, just the same way as you do. And if you got any questions or different access levels or anything that you would like to see happen here, just let us know. We'll fix it for you. All right, we'll get on to the next tab here, which will be our reports tab.